Today I am going to show you a large unit in prime location and great for an investment at this condo. You miss me Nun Perfect Home again, and today I am going to show you a large studio in Srithana 1 Condominium. This Srithana 1 Condominium is on Huay Kaew Road, Suthep Sub-District, Chiang Mai Province, and it's also close to all amenities that you need. This lovely apartment has offered 52.71 square meter and is fully furnished and ready to move in. So let's start with the main entrance to this studio. This brown door has this digital door lock. To access to this apartment, you just tap it here, put the password, or you can easily just use this card, tap it like this. Very convenient and easy. On my left hand, this is where you keep your key and also the shoe storage. And this is a sofa bed, brown color matching with the other furniture here. And from this corner, you also can enjoy the view from your apartment. It comes with this coffee table. This brown sofa is also can adjust to be a bed. And this lovely corner, this is the built-in furniture, brown color. It's got this see-through partition as well, where you still can see the bed and the living area. And this lovely shelf is also very useful, and I really like it. It's got this storage down here as well. And the highlights of this apartment is this circle table, where you can turn it around for 360 degrees. You can watch the television on your bed. Very convenient. And this lovely apartment also comes with the chandelier. Now let's go check the kitchen. This kitchen has got this window. No, this is a glass sliding door. And the design of this kitchen is really modern. It's got the raised tile contrast with white cabinet, the cupboard here, the sink, and another storage here. Has the hood and the electric stove as well with big refrigerator. And right here on my left hand, this is dining area. This dining table set is quite big. You can change it to be another working area as well, because it has got this large window that has a mosquito screen already. And once you leave the window open, it will get more airflow for this unit. And right next to here, this is sleeping area. This wooden bed frame, really beautiful. It comes with a bedside table. And matching with this big wardrobe. This is a sliding door here with many storage here as well. And right next to this one, this can be a dressing area for women. We're gonna love it, or you can change it to be another working area. It's also come with the storage, the shelf here, really lovely. And for the bathroom, wow, this bathroom is quite spacious. It has got this brownish marble tile, mirror, the sink, a water heater, and also the bathtub. Let's go check the balcony. This is a screen door that's for you to access to the balcony. And the balcony also, this is not small at all. Look at this, they have set up this lovely sitting area here, but I think you also can put some pot plants or flower. It will make the unit look much more lovely. So what do you think about this condominium? You can comment and share your thoughts with me. But before I end this video, this lovely apartment has offered 52.71 square meter and is fully furnished and ready to move in. This condominium has offered covered parking, security 24-hour, and to access to the main building you will need a key card, and juristic person office is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. That's very convenient. This condominium located on Huay Kaew Road, Srithana Subdistrict, Chiang Mai Province. And to get to this condominium is really easy. Let's start from Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall. Just get on the road 1004, about 1.3 kilometer, and after that you make a U-turn at Yamaha motorbike shop for 500 meter. On your left hand you will see a Lana stationery. Turn left right there for about 120 meter. You will see this Srithana 1 condominium. This condominium is also close to all amenities that you need, the cafe, restaurant, close to Chiang Mai Ram Hospital, Suan Dok Hospital, Maya Lifestyle Shopping Mall, One Niman Hemin area, and close to Chiang Mai University and Chiang Mai International Airport. So what do you think about this condominium? Any questions, just call me at this number, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a great property from us, and please share and like to make me happy to make more videos for you. See you next time. Bye.